This kanji mean spirit, mind, air, atmosphere, or mood. When we talk something about mind or heart or air or atmosphere, we will use this kanji. This kanji have the onyomi reading two sound like ki, ki, ke, ke, and the kunyomi reading like iki, iki, iki. So what you have to remember this kanji, you have to remember the meaning, especially for mind or mood, and about air or atmosphere. Genki, genki. Genki is mean healthy. The kanji gen is from the kanji that original. The kanji of gen is mean the original, and ki is mean your mind or your heart, right, or your mood. So when we put something that mean about the original and the mind or the spirit, so it means healthy. So healthy, and you see here we have the example like o genki desu ka? O genki desu ka? O genki desu ka is mean are you doing well? Or you can also say like how are you? It means that are you strong or are you get the illness or are you okay, something like this. But for the when you say like o genki desu ka, is this sentence is mean in the polite form, but and when you use this sentence, you can use with anyone, because in the polite form you can use with your teacher, your boss, or anybody that are older than you. But when you talk to your friends, you just say genki desu ka? Genki desu ka is also mean are you doing well, or are you okay, or are you very well, something like this. So when you talk with a person that at the same level as you can use genki desu ka? Or the person that the below you had the position below you can use like genki desu ka? And you can say like genki, 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 like this with your friend. That means when you talk with your friends or the person that you're familiar with, you can say like genki, something like this. But you should be careful. If not the person that you're familiar with, you should not say about genki. So the best way you just say like genki desu ka? Or o genki desu ka? Is very rare. If somebody asks you o genki desu ka? Or genki desu ka? You can say answer like 私は元気です。私は元気です。私は大丈夫です。Which means I'm fine or I'm okay. You say 私は元気です。Which means I'm fine. And if you say 私は大丈夫です、this means that I'm okay. This means no problem about your health. No problem about your mind. 気分、 kibun. Kibun is mean feeling or mood. The kanji ki is mean mood or spirit, or it's about the mind. And the kanji bum is mean park. If you talk about some park or about park, you can use the kanji bum. So in here is mean the part of your mind or the part of your feeling. So when we use the kanji of about the mind and about with the kanji of the pork, this means the part of your mind or the part of your feeling. So we can translate to be like feeling or mood. And as you see here, we have the example like 最近気分が良くないです。最近気分が良くないです。Which means I haven't been feeling very well lately, or I haven't been feeling very well recently. The word 最近 is mean lately or recent. And 良くない Yoku is mean good, but you put with the word nai is mean not good or not very well. So kibun is mean the feeling or the mood. So this means your mood or your feeling is not very well, it's not very good, or it's bad. Yokunai is mean not good. So if you say about yourself, you can just say like 最近気分が良くないです. And the last moment we learn about the sentence like お元気ですか? お元気ですか is mean how are you, or are you doing well, something like this. So if you feel, you can answer like 最近気分が良くないです or 最近気分が良くありません. This means you haven't been feeling very well lately. In this sentence, you can say like 気分が良くありません. 気分が良くありません is mean it just have the same meaning, but it's the polite form. But you say 気分が良くないです it's not a polite form. It's just the normal form, or it's the casual form. So just depend when the person that you're talking with. If you're talking with your friends or your co-worker, you can say like 気分が良くないです. But when you talk with your boss or the person that had a position higher than you, can say like 気分が良くありません. 気分が良くありません. 平気平気平気 is mean coolness or calmness. Coolness or calmness. The kanji he, the kanji of he is mean that steadily, and that mean no it just steadily, no down or no up, right? So you just go straight on, no turn left, no turn right. And the kanji ki is mean the mind or the mood or the feeling. So this means you just your feeling just steady, and that means you don't feel up or down, something like that. So in the case like this, we can translate to be like coolness or calmness. This means you're just the person who don't feeling up or down, just feel the same, right? So, and in here we have the sentence like 私は3日間寝なくとも平気だった。私は3日間寝なくとも平気だった。私 is mean I and 3日間。3日間 is mean 3 days. 寝なくとも寝なく is from the word 寝る or 寝ます。寝る or 寝ます is mean sleeping. But when you change to be the negative form, it can be like 寝ない。So we change to be like 寝なくとも is mean you haven't slept. You didn't sleep. Right? So 寝なくても平気だった。平気だった is mean you still be coolness or you still be calmness. So in this tense, it means that I was fine without sleeping for 3 days. I was fine without sleeping for 3 days. 3日間寝なくとも is mean that you didn't sleep. You didn't sleep for 3 days, but your feeling or your mind still be coolness, no change, no angry, right? No angry or no good, no angry. So you just feel the same. So you can say like heiki datta. This means you can control your mood. You can control yourself. Even you didn't sleep for 3 days.